that the troll?
Can you give the troll a kiss?
Give the troll a kiss. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Say hi, troll. So silly. Those are the books in Mommy's classroom. You like all those books.
Says you're heavy, troll.
You're a big guy. Oh, what else is in there? Oh, there's lots of things in Mommy's classroom for you to play with. Say bye-bye. Whoa, look at all those. Hi. See all the dollies? Yeah, so silly. Yeah, Lily, these are what the kids play with, the first graders. That's the baby, Mommy's Cabbage Patch Kid. Can you give her a kiss? Oh. Should we take her home? Yeah, there's more. Oh. Whoa. I'm just gonna go